From unexpected crashes to bonehead blunders and utter chaos in tree felling, these clueless individuals attempt to conquer nature with reckless abandon. You won't believe the sheer audacity of these chainsaw wielders and that the potential for disaster is ever present. Will they succeed in bringing down the mighty trees without causing widespread destruction? Or will their mishaps lead to a symphony of crashing wood and bewildered homeowners? Here are some fail moments of dangerously fast idiots cutting trees with chainsaws filled with sheer terror. Starting with this lucky idiot. No doubt, cutting down a tree, no matter the size, requires skill and caution because it's far from a straightforward job. But what happens when things get out of control? This clueless guy might have been lucky enough to still have his house standing after his folly, but the story was completely different for this next guy who attempted to achieve a unique feat. Gosh, that gave me quite the adrenaline rush. Watching those trees fall like dominoes is absolutely mesmerizing. It's like a perfectly orchestrated show in nature with a power that we can't fathom. But this dude attempting to cut down a palm tree is one for the books.
Here it is. Here it comes.
Handling trees is like handling unruly kids because you never know what they'll do. Trees are as unpredictable as they come. If you think that was a mere mistake, wait till you see the absolutely unexpected outcome of this teamwork. Truly, teamwork makes the dream work. Still, this team couldn't avoid the disaster ahead, showing that sometimes even the best plans executed by a bunch of idiots can also lead to an unpredicted outcome. Take a deep breath. Don't worry, it's okay. Safety isn't just a guideline here, it's the golden rule that keeps disaster at bay. When cutting trees, it's all in the technique, and mastering these techniques is the backbone of safe and effective logging. Following closely is this unprofessional lumberjack. The tension is palpable as each strained cut of the chainsaw appears as a gamble. Even as the tree groans under pressure and its massive weight shifts precariously, will this cut end well? Let's take a look. Oops, your guess was as good as mine. With the chainsaw screaming through a high-pitched whine tearing through the quiet morning, this isn't a professional lumberjack, but one of many fails we'll witness as we check out the next tree felling, which was a near miss. With a face mask, a grin of determination, and the beads of sweat betraying his anxiety, a sudden crack echoes through the air, followed by a deafening crash. Will the tree crush the house? The man, momentarily frozen in horror, scrambles back, his eyes wide with fear, and with every creak and crack, the tension rises to a breaking point. It all happens too quickly, it seems. However, if you think that was luck, what will you call this next moment? The tree began to sway slowly at first, but then increased its momentum. Time seemed to slow, stretching out the suspense until it was almost unbearable. It was the final crack, and the massive trunk began its descent. All eyes are on the towering tree. Will it obey the lumberjack's plan or chart its own chaotic course? The soundtrack is a symphony of snapping wood, screams, and the jarring thud of metal meeting earth, showing that even the experts can encounter unexpected challenges. That house is in need of some serious repairs. What do you think? Could this be a premeditated calculation or an unfortunate accident for the trees and houses? Oh my! What a shocking twist. It's amazing how quickly things can go wrong when you're cutting down trees. I'd think twice before underestimating it again. Did you see that? It's amazing to watch a lumberjack in action. His hard work is definitely going down the drain today. That was a heart-stopping and frustrating situation. One second it's all going well, and then the next second it's a split second away from disaster.
Thank you, guys.
Oops, what an amazing move. It looks like he misjudged that cut and the tree would have gone any direction, but he managed it perfectly. Taking on a tree is no task for amateurs. Leave it to those who have mastered both the art and the risks, because one wrong move and all that hard work comes crashing down. Remembering the near misses and sheer luck that sometimes prevent disaster, it is therefore necessary to prioritize safety and seek professional help. What's the most reckless tree cutting attempt you've ever witnessed? Kindly let us know in the comment section below. While you're at it, kindly thumbs up all my videos and subscribe to the channel if you're new here to help me continue to make engaging videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.